Crafty-ria, crafty-ria, crafty-ria.
Hello, it's Crafty Ria. Welcome to another video. I'm so glad you're joining me today. I have an unboxing from Craspire. They had reached out to me and asked me to participate. I get to choose some items from their website, and in return, I bring you a few videos. They sell a lot of really neat sealing wax items, and they are just a really fun company to work with. I really do enjoy their products, and they have excellent customer service. So let me go ahead and show you what I chose this time around. The first thing I chose is a little stirring handle, I guess you could say, a little stirring stick for when you melt the wax in the little cup. There is this little metal stirring piece so you could swirl the wax. And when I melt the wax this time, I will show you how to use this. It has a really pretty pink bead up at the top. And then I chose some wax, of course. I wanted to do some Christmas stamping, and I don't really have a lot of red and green wax. So I chose this jewel-toned package of wax. These are just little pieces of wax that you melt and you pour out and you stamp and make your little seal with them. They're heart-shaped. They're really cute, and I thought would be great for Christmas colors. And then I chose a stamper. This one here is a Christmas tree. And it is very heavy. I'm not sure if it's brass, but it is a very heavy metal. It's got a beautiful wood handle. I don't know if you probably can't tell from my video, but it has quite a bit of weight to it. And what you do is you take these little wax pieces, you melt them. I have a little ladle that I melt them in over a little mini candle. You pour it out on your paper and you set this in it, and it makes a wax seal. And I thought that would be fun to use for Christmas cards. That's why I wanted to get the red and the green. And then I kind of cheated. I saw these on the website and I thought these would be fun. These are pre-made wax melts. I think they're all the same. They're rose. And they have a self-adhesive backing. And there is this package of, let's see if it tells me how many pieces there are. There are 25 in this bag, and I thought these would be fun to use to seal envelopes, and they're all the same. So I will be playing around with some of those. So if you don't want to go through the trouble of melting the wax and pouring it out and stamping it, you can buy pre-made ones and it'll look like you did all that hard work on your envelopes, or you can use them on your cards or other projects. So we have those, this stamp, these jewel-toned pieces of wax, and a little stirring stick. I've had the hardest time trying to find something to stir the wax. So this works really well. This should be perfect, and that way I'll have something dedicated to stirring the wax. And then if it gets wax on it, that's okay. Craspire does have free worldwide shipping on orders of $50 or more. And also I have a coupon code for you. It is Maria5, the number 5, MARIA 5. And that will give you $5 off of $40. So I will put all of the links below. I will link all of these items and I will put their website link. in the description box below. So please do go check them out. And if you do go check them out, please come back and let me know what your favorite product on their website is, or if you see anything you'd like me to try in one of my upcoming videos. I will be putting out 2 more videos using these products, so be sure to keep an eye out for those. Click on that subscribe button and then click on the bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Also, if you like what you see, please do give it a thumbs up, and that way it will help YouTube find more videos for you that you will like. Thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.